Hi everyone, welcome to Real Books. This is Neeraj Kumar Jain, the founder of Real Books. Today we are going to talk about the basic configuration that you might need to start using Real Books. Once you have created your account and login, this is the page that you land up. We get a basic presentation on how to set up GST, and in the future more presentations will be coming on this side. And you have a quick wizard like thing on the left. Now what we need to understand is that the very first account that you create, it is used from the mindset that the person who is going to use the system is using the very basic version of accounting. This is for his personal books where the GST, he's not under the GST radar, he's not using inventory, he's maintaining his simple accounts, doing his simple invoicing, and does his bank entries, and that's about it. So if you look at it, he has trial balance, profit loss, balance sheet, cash flow statements. There is ledger report, day book, bill status, ledger group, and bank reconciliation. In the transaction page, he basically does his voucher entries. You could do an Excel import in bulk. And in the account section, there's a very basic version of ledger group voucher user. What we have enabled for everyone is in using digital file, or we are using document upload, and this is about it. It's a very basic version of accounting software. But while you start with the simple, you can use real books for very complex scenarios, and some of the features that we have, you will have to probably go and put the configuration screen and activate them depending on your use case. So for example, if you have multiple branches, you can enable multiple branches by this feature. If you have complex inventory, we have inventory management features ranging from simple purchase and sale to order to cash and order to pay. Entire cycle is there, manufacturing journal is there, batch payments are there, batch entries are there, PRs are there. So very complex scenarios can be feature by feature can be activated based on exactly what your use case is. As you have seen, we have enabled a document for you from as you log in. So you can just drag and drop your documents onto the entries itself, and as you open the entries, the documents will be visible to you. If there are if you're working with a lot of accountants, work a lot of juniors, or if you're an outsourcing company, approvals might be very handy for you. You can activate the approval feature over here. You can do bulk imports of data from Tally imports to Excel imports. You can export everything onto Excel, whatever data that you might need. We have features for activation of you can notify each vouchers that hits your system. You can get it on an email if you are interested in tracking what entries are happening in your books. You can enable budgets. You can send scheduled reports where you might want to get ledger reports on a certain time, or BRS on a certain time, or day books on a certain time of the day, where you don't want to log into the system, but it just hits your mail directly. All of these features can be activated uh, easily on this feature, and this is where the complexity starts coming in. If you want to use very basic accounting, you don't do anything for an individual, you can start using real books as you log in. But if you want to set up your books for a more complex scenario, you would want to explore the settings page first. This is the section that you would want to explore, play around, try, activate features, deactivate features, and don't bother. It's just a test account. You can open multiple companies and learn to use real books. If you need more help, please call up our support desk. We'll be very happy to tell you how exactly you should be able to use real books more. Or you may want to see more videos based on each feature that is going to be applicable for you, and use more of those features. So that's the very basic overview of what you might want to need when you start. You absolutely log into real books. Thank you very much.